I love riding around. I love talking to whoever the fuck will listen about real estate. So I figure why not capture some dope footage, please share a nugget or two about investing in real estate, and let you guys follow me on my journey as I. Alright, so might as well start here. It's gonna be the first video on the YouTube channel of the Insta360 1x2 360 action cam footage that I'm gonna take while riding the bike around. Let's see. I'm pretty sure you can see here, got the 2014 Harley Street Glide Special in the back here. Had this bike for only around 4 months, maybe 5 months. I've put about 2,500 miles on it. One long trip to Savannah, Georgia, handfuls of smaller trips around town. Rode it out to Daytona for Biketoberfest this year even. So yeah, this bike is really fun. It's been really great. I'm planning to put a lot more miles on it this coming year. Right now, I am recovering from COVID. So, had a really fun battle with COVID, somehow picked it up somewhere. And luckily, didn't have any respiratory issues or anything like that, no pneumonia. But felt like I was running a fever a few times, a little bit dizzy here and there. Still feeling a little bit off, but I'm getting closer to 100%. So I'm just out riding solo right now, minding my own business. Decided to just stop here, taking the views, kind of just look around, enjoy town by myself, completely social distance from anybody else. Just me on the motorcycle. So yeah, let's check this out a little bit. We're down St. Pete Beach. This is Sunset Beach, and we're over on like the dog park little area. Yeah, obviously the weather's amazing. I'm out riding around in my jacket right now. Pretty thin jacket. It's actually kind of warm, but when you're moving fast, it kind of cools it down a bit. In the sun, it's hot. In the shade, it's cool. So since I'm recovering, I'll just err on the side of hot, not get myself any more sick. Yeah, this is mid-December in St. Pete, Florida. Not bad. One funny thing I'm noticing already with this vlogging scenario, it's very awkward to hold the camera and talk to yourself when everybody's looking at you. But I'm gonna try and do it anyways. Try and pretend that I'm not talking to a camera, especially a camera on a stick. Can't really show you it right now because the stick's invisible probably, but it's very awkward. And I don't even know if this is catching my audio right now, but either way, we're giving this a go. I love riding around. I love talking to whoever the fuck will listen about real estate. So I figure why not capture some dope footage. Hopefully share a nugget or two about investing in real estate, and let you guys follow me on my journey as I hopefully make real estate investing a little more of my full time, and grow my portfolio in different ways. New ways of investing, whether it's lending more often, picking up new types of properties. Maybe it's multifamily, maybe it's single families, maybe Section 8, which I actually already have a property right now that I'm looking to put in Section 8 once I finish up the renovations. So I'm going to take it along on that journey. And yeah, we'll kind of just take it as it goes. And along the way, I'm going to ride that bad motherfucker once in a while and take you on some good footage journeys with this. So let me see if I can strap this thing back down to the motorcycle in another cool way. I want to get this stick on here somehow. I'm thinking maybe I can like mount it onto the handlebar, strap the stick to the handlebar. Just hopefully don't break my new expensive ass camera here, but we're gonna give it a go.